Hello and welcome to Pacbrake's install video series. Today we will be installing a HP10336 amp air spring kit on a 2019 Dodge Ram 1500. The installation of this kit is applicable to all 2019 to present Ram 1500. This installation guide is also applicable to the HP10337 kit. The HP10337 uses a single convoluted air spring, while the HP10336 we are demonstrating on uses a double convoluted air spring. The estimated install time for this kit is around 2 hours, but you may be able to complete it much quicker depending on your mechanical experience. Please read the install manual that came with your kit carefully before conducting the installation, as this video is by no means a replacement to the manual. You can find your install manual and more at pacbrake.com/HP10336. Let's get started. Before we begin the installation, we will assemble the air spring. Fasten the NPT air fittings. In this demonstration, we have already done that. Place the roll plates and shim on the air spring. Insert the included carriage bolts into the bottom bracket and fasten it to the air spring with the included countersunk screws. The two bottom brackets have a driver and passenger side. In this video, the left air spring is the driver side and the right air spring is the passenger. On the top side, place the roll plates onto the air spring. Insert the included carriage bolts into the top bracket and fasten it to the air spring with the included countersunk screws. Pay attention to the orientation of the bracket and use the correct holes for fastening. Again, the left air spring is the driver's side and the right is the passenger. Torque the screws to 20 foot-pounds. Place the clamp spacers over the carriage bolts and loosely thread the included flange nuts. Ensure the larger spacer is placed on top of the smaller one. The first step to the installation is to park your vehicle on a level surface, raising and supporting the chassis, and removing the rear wheels. Next, remove the bump stop by hand. Place the included U-bolt around the bump stop with the included U-bolt bracket. Insert the air spring assembly. Loosely tighten the included flange nuts to the U-bolt and the flange nuts on the spacer. Ensure the U-bolt is inserted into the top bracket and the rear spacers are sitting flat against the top bracket and the bump stop mount. Ensure the bottom bracket is latched onto the bump stop plate in the rear, and the carriage bolts are inserted into the mounting holes of the axle in the front. Fasten the included flange nuts to the carriage bolts and torque them to 31 foot-pounds. Tighten and torque all the top bracket nuts to 23 foot-pounds. To install the heat shield, bend the tabs as shown. Attach the heat shield to the exhaust pipe by using the hose clamps to secure the bent tabs. Install the air line to the vehicle through the license plate mounting holes. Sandwich the Schrader valve by using the included hex nut and flat washers and route the air lines to the air springs. Perform a leak test to ensure the air fitting is fastened airtight. Inflate the air spring and spray soapy water over the fitting and observe no bubbling occurs. In this demonstration, if bubbling occurs, tighten the air fitting until the bubbling stops and wipe the area dry. Spray soapy water again to ensure it is airtight. Congratulations! You've just completed the install of your amp air spring kit. If you have questions or concerns, please contact Pacbrake at 1-800-663-0096 to talk to one of our qualified customer support team reps, or visit our website at www.pacbrake.com, which has all the technical support you'll need. Don't forget to register your warranty with us to take advantage of the lifetime warranty on your air springs. For your additional air needs, you can also upgrade your system with amp air springs control, air compressors, or air tanks. To stay up to date on all Pacbrake products, like and subscribe to our channel below. Thanks for watching.